I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll try to understand how to find x-intercept from the given equation of line, and the equation of line is given to us in slope y-intercept form. The question is, the x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses x-axis. That is the definition of x-intercept. The x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses x-axis. What is the y-coordinate for any x-intercept? That's the question for you. And the second question is, find the x-intercept of the following lines. So we have two lines here, y equals to minus 3x plus 6 and y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 4. You need to find x-intercept for both these lines. So I'd like you to pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. So here is how I will answer this question. First part is definition of x-intercept. It's a point where the line crosses x-axis. So that is to say that if I have a graph of a line, let us say that's the coordinate system, and if I have a line like this, for example, then x-intercept is this point where the line crosses x-axis. This is x-axis and that is y-axis. So this is x-intercept. So x-intercept is the coordinate of the point where the graph crosses x-axis. Now the question is, what is the y-coordinate for any x-intercept? Of course, y has to be 0. So the answer is y equals to 0. For any x-intercept, y is 0. Now the second part of the question is, find the x-intercept of the following lines. So let's begin with the first one, which is y equals to minus 3x plus 6. Now from this equation, how can we find x-intercept? Well, this information, y equals to 0 at x-intercept, is key to finding x-intercept. So we'll substitute y equals to 0 in our equation and then find the value of x, right? Then we'll rearrange this formula and find the value of x. So that is the method used, correct? So let me substitute y equals to 0 in the equation. So we get 0 equals to minus 3x plus 6. Now at this stage we can do minus 6 both sides. Let's do minus 6 both sides, right? So what do we get? We get minus 6 equals to minus 3x plus 6 minus 6. Now plus 6 minus 6 simplifies to 0. So we get minus 6 equals to minus 3x. Now we need to isolate x, which we can do by dividing both sides by minus 3. So let's divide by 3 now. So we get minus 6 divided by minus 3, okay, minus 3 equals to minus 3x divided by minus 3. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1. We are left with x. Minus 6 divided by minus 3 is plus 2. So x equals to 2 is our x-intercept. Okay? So that's how you can find. And now you can write down the answer, which is, let me push it a bit, which is x-intercept is x equals to 2. So if somebody asks you what is the coordinate point, you should say coordinate point is 2, 0 because y value is 0 here, right? So you could write this also as, let me write here now, 2, 0 is the x-intercept, right? So at x-intercept, y value is always 0. Now let's do the next one. It involves some fractions. So I'll not get into these many details. I'll kind of shortcut, okay? So as you know, this line equation is given in slope-intercept form. We need to find x-intercept. That is to say, we'll substitute y equals to 0 to find x-intercept. Is it okay? So if y is 0, I can write this as 0 equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 4. Now we'll take away 4 from both sides. We have minus 4 equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 4 minus 4. So that gives us minus 4 equals to minus 2 over 3x, correct? To find x, we should multiply and divide by minus 3 over 2, correct? So we'll multiply by this on both sides. So we have minus 4 times minus 3 over 2 equals to minus 2 over 3x times minus 3 over 2, correct? So if you see, 3 and 3 cancels, 2 cancels, and minus becomes plus. We are left with x here, correct? On this side, minus and minus is plus, so we get plus 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So we get 6 equals to x. So in this case, x-intercept is 6. So we can write x-intercept is, you could write the coordinate point, which is 6, 0, or you could only say x-intercept is 6, correct? So that is how we should be finding x-intercept from the given equation in slope-intercept form. So remember, at x-intercept, y value is 0, and that helps to solve for x-intercept after rearranging the equation. Thank you.